Film woven bag squeezing pelletizing machine. Film woven bag. Plastic film squeezing pelletizing machine is used for squeezing and repelletizing woven bag, plastic film, PP ton bag, PP film, pay film, agricultural film, industrial film, bulk plastic film, printed film and etc. Plastic film squeezing pelletizing machine is a full automatic squeezing and pelletizing machine to the film and woven bags. With the screw squeezing and electrical heating, make the materials have high degree of drying and full plasticizing. The moisture of the plastic film below 3%. The capacity would be customized according to the requests of clients.